endless deserts, ancient historical sites, and futuristic cities in Saudi Arabia, having internet access right when you land can really simplify your trip. Here's how to stay connected instantly thanks to the best eSIM for Saudi Arabia with Saily. What is Saily? It's an eSIM management app that lets you stay connected anywhere in the world without having to buy a physical SIM card on arrival. You download Saily on iPhone or Android, choose the amount of data you need for your stay, and the eSIM installs in just a few clicks without removing your current SIM card. The line activates automatically as soon as you arrive at your destination, with no extra steps needed. Saily also sends an alert when you've used 80% of your data, so you won't be caught off guard during your trip. For those visiting multiple countries, you can choose a regional or global plan from over 150 available destinations. Support is also available 24/7 if needed. In short, it's the perfect tool for stress-free connected travel. Simply start by opening the Saily website or app. To get a 10% discount, use the link in the description, the pinned comment, or the QR code displayed on screen. These are the only ways to activate the promo code. Then create your account or log in within seconds. Once logged in, go to the destination list and search directly for eSIM Saudi Arabia. You'll then see several data plans for Saudi Arabia specially designed for using a virtual SIM card in Saudi Arabia, depending on the length of your stay. Next, choose the amount of data you need. To check routes, use public transport, or send messages. A small eSIM Saudi Arabia plan may be enough, but if you often use maps, translation, or share photos from Riyadh, Jeddah, or AlUla, it might be better to choose an unlimited eSIM data plan for Saudi Arabia. Once you've selected your plan, proceed to checkout. Before finalizing, remember to enter the promo code shown in the description in the designated field to automatically apply the 10% discount on your best eSIM for Saudi Arabia. After payment, Saily will guide you step by step to install your eSIM to travel in Saudi Arabia. Just follow the on-screen instructions, then activate the line once you arrive in Saudi Arabia to be connected instantly without needing a physical SIM card in Saudi Arabia. The link to access Saily and enjoy the discount is available in the description, the pinned comment, or via the QR code displayed on screen. Only accessing through these means allows you to activate the promo code.